Good morning, students. Yesterday we had learned practice set 6.4 and today we are going to learn practice set 6.6. We are not taken practice set 6.5 because they are having histograms and that histogram can be understand you in school very well. So I am not taken that exercise online. That exercise we are taken at school in virtual classroom. Okay. So in practice set 6.6 today we are going to learn problem number 1, 2 and 3. So let's we start problem number 1. So see the age group and number of person, the age group and the number of person who donated blood in a blood donation camp is given below. Draw a pie diagram of it. Okay, so if you want to draw the pie diagram, then you must be find out the angular measure. So here is what information given: age group, that is 20 to 25. So age 20 to 25, number of person 80. Then 25 to 30, number of person 60. Then 30 to 35, number of person 35. Then 35 to 40, number of person 25. Okay, so that is the age group we are given: 20 to 25 age 80 persons, 25 to 30 60 persons, 30 to 35 35 persons, and 35 to 40 25 persons. Okay, so this is given. So with help of that we can draw the pie diagram. So all of you know, in pie diagram there is we draw a circle. So angular measure of the circle is 360 degree. Okay, so the angular measure of the circle is 360 degree. So age group is 20 to 25. Age group is 20 to 25. Number of person 80. How many persons are there? 80. Okay, so 20 to 25, number of persons 80. Then 25 to 30, number of persons 60. Here is your right age group, here is your right number of persons. So 25 to 30, number of people 60. 30 to 35, number of persons 35. 35 to 40, number of persons 25. So we are do the sum of these numbers. So what is it? 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 5 5, 5 plus 5 10, 0 1, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 8 20. So you are get 200 here. Okay, so when you want to draw the pie diagram, so whatever be the information given, frequency is given, this is called frequency given, that all frequency you are doing sum. Okay, so total is 200. So I want to find out angle 20 to 25 angles. So total 200. So at a denominator I write 200. Okay, at a denominator I write 200. And how many number of person out of 200? 80. So 80 is numerator and 200 is the denominator. 80 is numerator and 200 is the denominator. So 80 upon 200 into 360 degree. 80 upon 200 into 360. So this 0 cancel. Okay, then this 0 cancel. 2 is divided to 8. So 2 4s are 8. What you get? 2 4s are 8. So 4 6 are 24. So here is 4, 2 carry. Then 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2 14. So 144 degree. Okay, are you understand how can I solve? See, first all information this is given: 80 60 35 25. We are doing addition of this, then you are getting 200. Okay, so 200 is written here. Out of 200 how many? 80. So 80 is the numerator and 200 is the denominator into 360. So this 0 cancel, then this 0 cancel. So what is here? 2. So that 2 is divided 8. 2 4s are 8. So here is you get 4. 4 6 are 24. So 4, 2 carry. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2 14. So 144 degree. Okay, then 25 to 30. How many? 60. How many? 60 persons. So numerator is 60 and denominator is 200. So this is the 60. So here is I write 60 is the numerator and total 200. So 60 upon 200 into 360. This 0 cancel. This 0 cancel. 2 ones are 2. 2 threes are 6. 2 threes are 6. 3 into 36. 3 6 are 18. 18 8. 1 is carry. 3 threes are 9. 9 plus 1 10. 108. Are you understand? If you don't understand, then again I explain. See, 80 plus 60 plus 35 plus 25, sum is 200. So first I want to find out the angular measure of this 20 to 25. So what is the frequency? 80. So 80 is the numerator and total is the denominator. So 80 upon 200 into angular measure of circle 360. So here is 360. This 0 cancel. This 0 cancel. So what is remain 2? 2 ones are 2. 2 fours are 8. 4. 4 into 36. 4 6 are 24. So 2. 2 is carry. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2 14. So 144 degree. Then 25 to 30. How many? 60. So 60 upon 200. Are you understand why I have taken 200? Because the total is 200. So denominator is 200. Out of 200, how many? 60. So 60 is the numerator divided by 200 is the denominator into 360. So this 0 cancel. Then this 360 0 and this 0 cancel. So all 0 is cancel. So 2 ones are 2. 2 threes are 6. So here is you get 3. 2 threes are 6. So here is you get 3. 3 6 are 18. 8. 1 is carry. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 10. So 180 degree. Then 30 to 35. 30 to 35. So number of person 35. So here is numerator 35. Denominator 200. So 35 upon 200. 35 upon 200 into 360. This 0 cancel. So you get 36. You get here 20. So 5 fours are 20. 5 fours are 20. So here is you get 4. 5 sevens are 35. So here is you get 7. So 4 nines are 36. 9 7. 4 nines are 36. So here is you get 9. 9 into 7. 9 sevens are 63. If doubts, then see. This 0 cancel. So what is here? Here is 35. Here is 20. So 5 is divided. 5 sevens are 35. So you get here 7. 5 sevens are 35. So you get here 7. 5 fours are 20. So get here 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 nines are 36. So here is you get 9. 9 into 7. 9 sevens are 63. So here is you get 63 degree. Then 35 to 40. 35 degree. 35 to 40. What is it? 25. So 25 upon 200. 25 upon 200 into 360. This 0 cancel. Here is you get 25. Here is you get 20. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20. 4 9s are 36. So 9 5s are 45. So here is you get 45 degree. Are you understand? Such a way you are getting here angle 144 degree, 108 degree, 63 degree and 45 degree. So this is you are getting 2 marks table, and completing diagram you get 2 marks. So see, here is first we can draw a circle such a way. You can take radius 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter, whatever you want. Such a way you can take radius and draw a circle. So such a way here is we draw a circle. Then this is the one of the radius we can draw, and with help of this radius we can take angle. This angle is such a way you are taking these angles. Okay, so 20 to 25 144 degree. So this is 144 degree angles. Then this is 108 degree angle. This is person age 25 to 30 108. Table you can see the table. In this table there is having that. See, 20 to 25 144, 25 to 30 108, 30 to 35 63, 35 to 40 45. Okay, so that diagrams it can be shown with help of protractor. You are finding take the angular measure such a way. and after taking angular measure such a way we can give name. This is person of age 20 to 25, so 144 angle. Then person of age 25 to 30, 108 degree. Then person of age 30 to 35, 63 degree. And last, person of age 35 to 40, 45 degree. Okay, such a way we can draw the diagram. Then problem number second, the marks obtained by student in different subjects are shown. Draw a pie diagram showing the information. So you want to draw the pie diagram. So this is the problem given. Subject English marks 50, Marathi marks 70, Science mark 80, Mathematics mark 90, Social Science mark 60, Hindi marks 50. Okay, so this is the subjects you are given, and here this is English 50, Marathi 70, Science 80, Maths 90, Social Science 60, Hindi 50. Okay, we are draw the frequency table. So pi diagram is 360 degree, so I write 360. So subject, okay, it is subject, it is marks, here is measure of the central angle, so it is English 50, okay, Marathi 70, Science 80, then social mathematics 90, Social Science 60, Hindi 50. So when we are do the sum of this then sum of this is 400. See, we are doing sum first, 50 plus 70, 70 plus 80. Afterwards we are doing sum 90 plus 60, 60 plus 50. So total is 400. Are you understand how can get total is 400? So we can calculate the angular measure of the English, central angle of the English. So total 400. So denominator is 400. Out of 400, how many marks get English? 50. So 50 is the numerator, 400 is the denominator into 360. So this 0 cancel. This 0 cancel. 4 1s are 4. 4 9s are 4 9s are 36. 4 1s are 4. 4 9s are 36. So you will get 9 here. So 9 5s are 45. So you will get 45 degree. Then this 0 cancel. This 0 cancel. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. 4 you are getting. So 4 into, see how can I solve this problem? This 0 cancel. Okay. Then this 0 cancel. So here is 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. Here no. 2 1s are 2. So 1. 3 minus 2, 1 is remain 8. So 2 8s are 16. So 18 you are getting. And here is 7. So here is you get angular measure 63. Wrong, right? See, here is 70 degree. Here is 70 degree. Remember that. Because Marathi is 70. So 70 upon 200. 70 upon 200. So this 0 cancel. Then this 0 cancel. 2 is divided 36. We are getting 18. So 18 7s are. Then here is Science 80. So 80 upon 400 out of 400. So 80 upon 400 into 360. This 0 cancel. Here is wrong. This 0 cancel. See, this totally wrong here. Here is you 70 upon 400 you want. There is written 200. So see, 70 upon 400. So this 0 cancel. Then 36 this 0 and this 0 cancel. So here is 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 9s are 36. So you get 9. So 9 7s are 63. Is that clear? Then see, this is 80 Science. So 80 is the numerator, 400 is the denominator. 0 cancel. Then this 0 cancel. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 36 2s are 72. So mathematics 90 upon 400 into 360. Denominator is which? Whatever be the total, that is the denominator. That must be remembered. And whatever be the numerator, So which angular measure you want to find out, that value is the numerator. So mathematics you get 90 marks, so 90 is the numerator and total 400 is the denominator into 360. So this 0 cancel, this 0 cancel, 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36. So 9 into 9, 9 nines are 81 degree. Then it is social science 60. So 60 upon 400 into 360 degree. So this 0 cancel, this 0 cancel, 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36. So 9 6 are 54. Okay, anyone doubts? See, social science 60, so 60 is the numerator and total is 400 is denominator into 360 degree. Okay, so this 0 cancel, this 0 cancel. So what is remains? 6 upon 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36, 9 6 are 54. Okay, Hindi is 50, so 50 upon 400. So this 0 cancel, this 0 cancel, 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36, 9. So 9 5s are 45. So here is 45 degree. So if you are doing sum of this angle, then you are getting 360. Then we are going to draw pi diagram. So first we draw the circle. You can take 3 centimeter radius or whatever you want. Okay, you take 3 centimeter radius and draw the circle. After draw the circle, you are take an angular measure which is given in the table. So that angular measure you can take. So here is first we can take here angular measure in the circle. Then here we can give name for each. See, it is Marathi subject 63 degree, another English subjects 45 degree, then here is Hindi subject 45 degree, then social science 54 degree, then another mathematics 81 degree, and last subject is remains science 72 degree. Okay, such a way we can draw the pi diagram. Then we are going to see last problem number 3. In a tree plantation program, the number of tree planted by students of different classes is given in the following table. Draw a pi diagram showing the information. So standard, 5th standard 40 trees, 6th standard 50 trees, 7th standard 75 trees, 8th standard 50 trees, 9th standard 70 trees, 10th standard 75 trees. Okay, so see here, we will do the sum of this. So total is 360 degrees. So I write here 360. So standard 5th number of trees 40. So you will do the sum of this. 40 plus 50 plus 75 plus 50 plus 70 plus 75. We are doing sum of this. So see, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 5 5, 5 plus 5 10, 0 1, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 7 15, 15 plus 5 20, 20 plus 7 27, 27 plus 5 32, 32 plus 4 36. So here is total you get 360. When you get total 360, then this problem is very easy to you solve. So how can you solve this problem? 40 upon 360, 40 upon 360 into 360. 360 ones are 360. What you get? 40. Then 50 upon 360. 360 ones are 360. 50. 75 upon 360. 360 ones are 360. 75. Are you understand? Here is your right angular measure. Here is your right number, and here is your right total, and here is angular measure. Okay, means 360 circle. So 360 cancel 75. 50 upon 360 into 360. 360 cancel 50. 70 upon 360. So this 360 cancel 70. 75 upon 360. 360 cancel 75. Then we can draw the pi diagram. So first we can draw a circle of 3 centimeter or 4 centimeter. Then we can make an angle here, such a way. So this is the angle made. This is 7th standard 75 degree. Then 6th standard 50 degree. Then another is the 5th standard 40 degree. Then another is the 10 standard 75 degree, that is we are calculated in the table. Then 9 standard 70 degree, 9 standard 70 degree, 8 standard 50 degree. Such a way we are completed this pie diagram. Okay, we are seeing the three problems. I hope that you are understand these three problems. So whether you are understand or not understand, that can be checked with help of the homework. So that homework is given to you here. Okay, so please solve this homework and send to me on my WhatsApp number. Like this video and share the channel if you are not shared till. If you are share this channel, if you are subscribe this channel, then share this video to your friends which are already learn in 9 standard 10 standards in semi English. So and say to them subscribe it. Okay, have a nice day. Bye, stay home, stay safe.